Sometimes a client needs access immediately. Maybe they're grandfathered into a special deal, or perhaps you just want to gift them a year of service without making them fumble through checkout. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate a Workspace subscription directly from the admin console. You will learn how to bypass the user dashboard entirely, assign specific plans, and even grant unlimited access to your internal team. Let's dive in. First, go to your admin console. From here, you have two ways to access Workspaces. You can go directly through the users list or through the master workspace list. Let go through the user. Why? Because it shows exactly how many workspaces that client manages at a glance. Let's click on this user, then hit the View button to access their workspaces. This shows the list of workspaces managed by this client. Each workspace can have its own subscription. To activate a subscription for a specific workspace, simply click the View button. From here, click on Generic Subscription. Immediately, a list of all your pricing plans appears. Pro, Business, whatever tiers you have created. Select the appropriate plan for this client. But here's where the magic happens. You can uncheck the trial period and manually set the exact number of days you want. Need to give them a 30-day grace period? Type 30. Want to lock them in for a full year? Type 365. Go ahead and type 365 for a full decade. The system will accept it. The workspace now shows it ends in 2027. You have complete control. And don't worry, you can always come back and modify this later or remove the subscription entirely if needed. Now what about your internal team? Your virtual assistants, your content managers, or your business partners? You don't want them on a paid plan. You want them to have full access without restrictions. For that, we use the unlimited setting. Stay in the same workspace, but instead of adding a subscription, click on Edit button at the top right corner of the workspace. Change the drop-down from Requires Subscription to Unlimited. Hit Update. That's it. Once a workspace is set to Unlimited, that user has access to every feature of the platform. Unlimited social profiles, unlimited team members, unlimited AI credits, no expiration, no limits. This is perfect for anyone working on your own brand accounts. If you are not selling the platform to external clients, simply set your team members' workspaces to unlimited, and they will never hit a paywall. Finally, how do you know what status a workspace is on without clicking into it? Look at the badges next to each workspace name. If a workspace is on a paid subscription, you will see the actual plan name right under the subscription. Business Generic, Agency Generic, and so on. But if you see a simple U, like a button, hover over it. The tooltip will read Unlimited Access. That's your visual cue that this is an internal account with full privileges. And there you have it. Whether you're manually activating a paying client or setting up your internal dream team, the admin console puts you in the driver's seat. No more waiting for clients to stumble through checkout. No more limits for your team. Just pure, simple control. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more admin tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.